Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. So I'm going to a Christmas ugly sweater party on Friday with my husband and my daughter. And I decided I was going to make a purse, a so-called purse for my outfit. And what my sweater is, I got the sweater from Walmart. It is a Hello Kitty Sanrio theme, and it has all the characters on it, and it's got all the colors, but it also lights up. But I wanted a gingerbread purse. So I was thinking about this the last night. Really simple. I made something similar for Louisa, but I used a die that was from Scrap Diva Designs. This is the gingerbread purse gift box, and for Louisa, that's what I used. This one, and also this is the KS Craft large and small bow bag topper. So I use these in combination for a bag I made for Louisa, but I wanted it bigger. This is not big enough for a purse for me, so I broke out my McDonald's Happy Meal box. There is a die out there that is the exact dimension of the Happy Meal box, but I don't have it because I thought of it just last night. I figured, okay, I'll use the box, create my pattern. I took it apart. This one is not apart because I glued it back together. But I opened the bottom up and I put hot glue here. You can see I took it apart. And I created my pattern using the box, okay? Now, I did still use part of the Scrap Diva Designs die. I used the shingles for the roof, which is this piece right here. And I used the KS Craft large bow bag topper. Okay, so remember Hello Kitty and gingerbread theme. So I came out with this. Oh my God. Okay. This is what it looks like. So this image here I got from wrapping paper. I have a Hello Kitty Christmas wrapping paper. So I just took that image from the wrapping paper, layered it onto brown craft paper or craft cardstock, and then I layered that on top of the pink glitter foam. Okay, I also used the glitter foam on the bow. The handles are from 100-pound cardstock from Michaels, and I doubled the layer for the white cardstock. So it's pretty thick and sturdy. And the purse itself is heavy, and you'll see why soon. So here are the shingles that I cut out of the brown glitter. So I got this from Louisa as a gift from our Halloween Christmas swap for her and I. I used that on the rooftop for my shingles, and you can see it's the Happy Meal shape. But the bow, I cut off the top from the handle. I just did away with the handle. I didn't use it because it has that McDonald's arches. So I put the bow on there, layered on the foam so it's double-sided. And then I also used some pom-pom trim from my stash. I covered the cardstock that I used with foam, not foam, felt. So this is scrap felt, or not scrap felt, but craft felt to cover my box. Okay, and this is gonna be my handbag, just like that. Okay, so the other part I did, I pulled out all my Hello Kitty acrylics that I've received from Ebony, who is the Rosette Guru. I got all those Christmas Hello Kitties out. Even the Grinch is out. And I put them on my sides here to act like my holiday pins. Instead, I just used some E6000 and hot glue directly onto the box. I covered the bottom also. And then I took the trim and went all the way around. I didn't go on this side, here and here. I mean, I could do that probably, but I don't know. I think it's enough. And then the other part, I used a Rosette Guru rosette. This is the recent rosette set that she had in her previous sale. And the rosette has all the pink gingerbread houses and peppermints. And on the rosette, I put one of the acrylics, which is also a shaker. And it is on a spinner. You guys. This is so delicate. I use E6000 to glue it onto the rosette, and it spins. And you can see it's not spinning freely because I think there's some glue that got caught up under the spinner. But it does spin, and it's a glitter shaker. So let me see if it'll spin. Yep, just like that. It's so cute. I do love it. Oh my gosh. So it's got all the glitter, glitz, glow going for it. And yeah, that's my little purse. And when you open it up, oh, I got some hot glue showing. Oh, how did I do that? Anyway, I'm going to try to get rid of that. But open it up. You can see the felt goes all the way up the sides. I covered that all nice there. And the paper still folds. It just automatically goes together. And I have enough room inside for my cell phone. And also whatever goods I need to carry in my bag, in my handbag. So, oh my gosh, I hope you like this video. If if you're curious, there's a die set that is oh gosh, the ladies shared it in the chat, and I don't believe I have that, but if you search, I think it's Happy Box or Happy Meal Box on Amazon, it'll come up something, it's alphabets. It's JL or RSL Live, LIVES. JLS LIVES. I don't know, guys. Search on Amazon. It is also available on AliExpress. But mind you, when the die set first came out, it was some of the ladies were saying they got it for like under $15. But when we pulled it up online during the live, it was around $26 or 20 something like that, $26, $27. So yeah, just remember that's how much it costs. So if you don't want to buy the die, you can go get a Happy Meal and take it apart and trace it and create your own pattern, which is what I did. I mean, I'm just creating one. So, but yeah, that's it. If you're new here, welcome. Please join our crafty family. Hit the subscribe button. Gosh, now I'm just paranoid or annoyed. Not paranoid, but annoyed with the hot glue showing. Join our crafty family. Hit the subscribe button. And while you're there, if you hit the notification bell, that will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Thumbs up this video, guys, and I'll see you all next time. There you go. Bye. Yeah.